Chukwukwagi wotuto niile, Chukwukwagi wekele niile, onye si nara ekele ke jibia. Chukwukwagi wekele niile, Chukwukwagi wotuto niile, Chukwukwagi wekele niile, onye eze nara ekele ke jibia. Chukwukwagi wekele niile, Chukwukwagi wotuto niile, Chukwukwagi wekele niile, onye eze nara ekele ke ji. Chukwu onye amara m, Chukwukwagi wekele niile, Chukwu onye amara m, Chukwukwagi wotuto niile, okwecheta obi esie m ike, Chukwukwagi wekele niile, onye eze nara ekele ke ji. Onye obi ebere, Chukwukwagi wekele niile, onye obi ebere, Chukwukwagi wotuto niile, echeta obi esie m ike, Chukwukwagi wekele niile, onye eze nara ekele ke jibia.
Yeah, good morning, viewers all over the world. Egwu nụrụ kịta bụ egwu si na ngalaba na-afụ gbasara mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo Ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple akpọrọ Nkwa group led by me. We have all the right. Ọ bụrụ na like ya bụ egwu nụrụ kịta, then is a praise worship. Then ije na audio mark, the iTunes and rest of them. Chọwa ya bụ egwu ma download ya. Then, for those of you that are seeing me for the first time, call me Ogbuefi, Eze-Ana, ugochitubelu, oraifite. Oraifite is in Anambra State. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afọ gbaa family emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration evangelical mission. Bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. You can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, today's topic is what you must do before laying house foundation. What you must do before laying house foundation. That is today's topic. Believe in me, this topic is a unique one. And I can tell you, this topic will liberate a lot of people. Bandage must fall from your eyes. Like I always tell you, what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. Now, if you are knowledgeable, you become a master. If you are adamant, you are ignorant, you remain a slave. But before we proceed into today's lecture proper, important announcement. Don't forget that we are still in the month of December. Our group monthly ritual is still ongoing. It's for upliftment, breakthrough, and liberation. But as you all know, in the temple, we don't share testimonies on social media or in Ezeoku TV. You know why? It's not why we are here. Yes, we are pace setters. This group ritual started over 3 years now. This morning, I have gone to the temple to make declaration upon the lives of those that join us for the month, upon the lives of the friends of the temple and children of the temple, and upon the lives of the members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and our fans, the nation all over the world. Yes. Aja ma chuguda aja n'isi mmadụ niile making this declaration upon the lives of our loved ones till the end of the month. On the last day of the month, we visit the waters to offer sacrifices ihe ọnụ na-eri chụọ aja dị iche iche on behalf of all. Then I gazie na akpọ ọkalete ga chụọ aja ihe mme n'aha mmadụ dum, gbagotazie na temple chụọ aja dị iche iche to entities of powers nọ na temple, jekwazie n'ebe nchụaja gbuo ebiri wee mesara aka. Nwanne chụba aja maka na ike karịrị ọgwụ. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ maka na aja karịrị ọgwụ, ichi isonye na aja, ihe ị ga-eme bụ forward ya token donation. Chaatị m na WhatsApp, forward ya 3 prayer requests anyị ga-edebe n'ọta na-achụ aja na-aga ụfọdụ ekwubi okwu n'isi ganye na ọnwa agwụ. Yes. So before we start, ọ bụrụ na o nwere ajụjụ inwe na nkụzi a, ma ọ bụ na ị chọrọ ka agbaala gị afa mmiri emi, ma ọ bụ na ị chọrọ isonye na aja a na-achụ n'igwe maka na igwe bụ ike, chaatị m na WhatsApp nọmba 0805 7837672. I repeat, 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 I repeat, 0813 8243 Let's now proceed. Yes, like I told you before, the topic of today is what you should do before laying house foundation, probably in your village. And we'll go ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ on many uncompleted projects in various villages across Igbo land. And I can tell you, they nwere ihe kọsụrụ ya. Maka na na-akpa n'ọfọ. Since I was born to date, o nwebere any house project m bidoro the uncompleted. Yes, I have built many houses, but I can tell you none of them is uncompleted. I want today to share the secret. Like I always tell you, what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. Ihe na-achọ ịkọwala gị bụ na anọ ebe ọ bụla ibi ma ọ bụ ebe ị chọrọ iru ihe n'anya gị, my look virgin n'anya gị nke iji bụrụ mmadụ. But I can tell you, you cannot say for sure na onwebere onye enyiri that place, na onwebere onye that particular land you are about to build bụ resting place ya. I nwere ike ikwu for sure na ịdị sure na ebe a particular place ị na-achọ ịlụ ihe now na onwebere ndị biri ebe anwa. Enwere ike ndị mmadụ ochie remember men ma ọ bụ ya ancestors once lived there, or no nwere ndị nọ na transit in the ancient time si nya wee ebe wee ga ụzọ. Enwere ike nwee ka ọnwụ si wee dị, ofu onye n'ime ha nwụnarụfa, ebe ọbụla ha fụrụ ala ha egwu ala dị onye anwa continue their journey. So don't tell me that you are 100% sure na ebe ị na-alụ ihe a virgin land that na-enwepụrụ any human spirit enyere ebe anwa. You can't say it. Elotara m one family na-arụlụ ọrụ, a wee gwa m na onwere ka ha na-egwu sọkawee ka ha na-egwu, ha wee gwute human skeleton. Mana n'ime human skeleton a ha gwutere, ihe a na-agwa na their family land. Mana mgbe ha na-egwu that sọkawee, o nwere ka ha si malụ ma ọ ga-esikwa ha na-enwere grandfather ma ọ great grandfather enyere that particular place. Maka na anya wee ebe abụrụgo ebe a na-akọ ihe. Ịghọtara ya? So mana ha gwubere wee gwute skeleton mmadụ a. Ha wee jụwa m Eze-Ana si nkere ihe a ga-eme. Agwakwara m ihe a ga-eme. Then wee rebury the person. Then continue ife sọkawee ha na-egwu maka na ha agago far. Are you following? Ọ bụrụ na ụnụ agabara far, nke a wee different thing. Mana ọ bụrụ na agago far, enwezi ihe ị ga-eme, rebury the person another place. So amara m what you are passing through, but enwere m ajụjụ. I have some question, pertinent question to ask you. That your village house That foundation, you want to lay a foundation. Have you done the needful? Ịma na ijiji na-enwere onye ndụmọdụ na-eso ozu ana n'imi, ọkwa eziokwu? Then, as you want to build house, lay foundation, did you do the needful? And I want to put it to you that Igbo adage says, na de bụ agwara atụrụ ọsọ ngọrọngọ bụrụ onye ịtọ. Yes, and well, so many things that is beyond their imaginations. After building that house, so that house will be livable. Only one other adage that says, and I quote, "No, na mo wata biru no kelum." Yes. Onya ko fọdụ nwoke eke sị gị tụkwara inu ọzọ yitukwara ya sị gị na nwata bụrụ agwụ bụrụ ilo. Yes, a na-etoru ihe etoru mgbe ọbụla ị chọrọ ka ile foundation, ị na-akwa ngwuru. You are trying to set up another home. Then my question is, ndị nna nna gị ha, ndị nụrụ ọgụ, ndị gbara mbọ wee zụta ya that particular land that was allocated to you, that you want to make a living place and abode for you, did you inform them that you want to make this particular place, that arena, a living place for you and for your family? Did you do so? That your ancestors that labored so much to secure that land, have you paid homage to them? Did you even remember them? Have you ever venerated them? As in, have you ever consulted them? Tell them your intention. Have you? Una actually be that house you want to build. Agebi kuyebi. Ka ọ ga-abụ ngwuru ga na-ahụ ọkụ, ga na-ebute ihe mgbu na ihe ogbochi maka na ahụ ọkụ. Let me put it to you. Some of this land you are living now is land na-ahụ ọkụ, and your people that once lived there kpochapụrụ ekpochapụ maka ehi nke a ma ọ bụ nke ọzọ. And that particular land need appeasement. Maybe your father or your grandfather inherited that land because the first people that lived there once lived there are no more. Are you following? Therefore, you need to appease the spirits and human spirits that once lived there, that once called that place their home, their inheritance. Yes, and don't forget that there will go so many altars built in that particular portion of land. You are now claiming to be yours. Like I told you before, since my entire life, I have never built lay a foundation that I did not complete. The reason is that I always do the needful before I proceed. Yes. Take this my advice and it shall be well with you. So there is some, I will pinpoint some mistake some of you normally make whenever you want to lay foundation. Number one, I have told you, for the fact that you want to lay a foundation, you must do the needful. It must involve the gods of the land. You must involve your ancestors, telling them exactly what you want. Yes, that you want to build a living home there. And you are pleading with them to allow you to live there in peace. Have you done that? Now, if you have not done that and you have started building, and as we speak, you can't finish it. In fact, you don't even know when to finish it because you are incapacitated right now, financial wise. If you want to learn some certain things, ask questions. Because in the ancient book, say, each one the path that lead to the good path. Ask for the path followed by your ancestors. During the time of our fathers, this issue of uncompleted houses is not there. You can verify. Your ancestors built house and they finished them. But what is happening in this generation? Because you did not call as in what is important. You did not pay attention. You did not call it anything. And that is why you are suffering. Before you lay foundation, maybe there were some trees, sacred trees that is in that your compound. You cannot just as ofeke, just cut those trees, just like that. Are you following? And once you attract the anger of the spirit, that your intention to finish that house will never be accomplished. Makara, you step go on toes more. Yes. So you plead for them to give you an where you believe and live in peace. I remember when I was building my house, what I did. Some people are building a house that they cannot live in their lifetime because they trigger the anger of the gods and the woman. What I did is that I did the needful. There is some certain minor rituals. What is important is reference. You reference them. But once you have this attitude of nonchalant attitude towards sacred trees, I can tell you, they will play Surugede dance. You know what is called Surugede dance? Surugede dance is the dance of the spirits. And you can never dance Surugede dance and your body and spirit remain the same. Because Surugede dance is the dance of the spirit. So there is no way you can win the war against the spirits. Quote me anywhere. Because this gross material world is their terrain. They lose nothing. They will frustrate you. You quello no name that they are the mayors, they are the lords, they are the gods of this gross material universe. So you recognize them. But this is not Kanwa, I can tell you will lose. So I understand that some of you did it out of ignorance. And I quote again Hosea 4:6. My people are suffering because of lack of vision and knowledge. You are not knowledgeable. That is why you are arguing for no reason. Some of you are arguing that it doesn't matter, that you can actually build without referencing anything, that you can build and complete. Yes, some of you argumentators have actually built, but you cannot live at peace in that particular place. Some of you, two things are happening. Some people cannot finish theirs. Some will not even enter it. So that you even enter it, I'm ready for her. Are you following? So, like I told you before, in all my life, I have never started lay a foundation and did not finish it. If I build small and decide to rest, it's because maybe I'm focusing on another thing. But once I build it, then once I long for it and build it, the resources will come and I will finish it. You know why? because I always carry the gods, my ancestors, tell them what I want and my intentions, and I will always carry them and reference them from point one, from foundation. Yes, let me tell you what I normally do. That's why onwere ihe ndị Igbo na-akpọ foundational good, igbu ewu ana. Yes, igbu ewu ana bụ a na-egbu ya oke ọkpa. Ị nwere ike igbu oke ọkpa na nnekwu na ofu ewu. Ị nwere ike igbucha ewu iwere oke ọkpa wee ficha aha mma. Then nnekwu dị na ya bụ nnekwu ana. Are you following? So, and the any sacred trees know where you want to build house. Go and look for cola. Yes, look for cola at least. Use that cola to approach that particular sacred tree. Tell that sacred tree need a very urge. Yana money yana hassle. Was here na this development again. N'ebe ha nọ kịta wee ebe adọzi suitable because n'ebe a bụ ya n'obi gị na ị chọrọ ka ị lụọ ya ụlọ, that you want to build a living house here because there is no any other place that's more suitable to build than here, and that you are pleading with them to relocate somewhere else, that you are giving them this cola to share among themselves. Ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na ile ọma ka eju na si aga n'ogwu ọkwa eziokwu. By humbling yourself, referencing them, they had their prayers. And by that single respect for them to relocate, after that, those rituals, Tuoro Hanzu and rest of them, Tuoro Hanku, they will have that orgy. Then you can now take them off. Definitely they will locate. So when I was building my house, I have other secretaries in my compound that I have to ask them to leave so that I will build a living house. Yes. And they permitted it. And I built that house within space of months. I finished them. I finished the house. Are you following? So I don't know how it is in Kwado. All my house I built, that is the process. Any land, even those land I bought for some people, I must do it. One, that four-legged thing is Ajayiheme Atoro. I feel I know but now because all Eze-Ana Atoro Omo that once lived there. Then Nnekwu used to appease the land and the yes, and the Nnekwu simple means multiplication. Nnekwu is a mother. Now that's never a be a big yanka, no ga then ewa and a weba, but I able so, but I able to room the cheer, no more the Ebanwa. That's blood that Tasare Banwa. Then where you see Hasiana Ebana and now from today. Down on the Serana, and I was in an and Henry Goganak, he would able to be. He would make him masreg. Then he went out go off and I go on a die by nature, no beach or EBA by nature of Gahu Fogi. Now, Maju, no, you know, able no. You now make your wishes. Tell them the intention why you bought that place. The same thing. Even when the proposed place of worship of Chukwu Kepremi Henine, we did the same thing. When we bought the land, we did the same thing. Even the second land that we follow it, we did the same thing when we bought it. Before we finally done and that altar, Kaikebe last week, then done and did cheer. Makanyabo proposed place of worship. Then once we hit the ground running, that we want to start the project, by the time the gods permitted us to start, then we just run it and finish it. That is how things work. So if there is any sacred trees there, you do the needful. So that you will not just go enter into that land and cut those secretaries with impunity, with carelessness. Maybe it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, matters a lot. That's what I'm saying. So pay attention whenever you want to build house. You must break the kola. You must do the blood sacrifice, calling upon the ancestral forces that once lived there. Call upon the human spirit that once lived there. Call upon the entities of powers that once lived there. Tell them that you mention your name, Nike Chukwu, that today you want to lay foundation on this particular land. That you want to use this land for a so purpose. That today you are pleading for them to permit you to live here in peace. And that this land will not be hot for you. This land will not be so cold for you. That you will live in this house, be fruitful, and succeed massively. After that, break the kola, offer your sacrifices, then start. But whenever you neglect all these things, it does not start today. Our fathers did. And Ogbuefi. Yes, no, foundational goods. Very important. Because you need to take permission. Because in the real sense, that sacrifice you offer there is for them, the spirit that once lived there. You are praying for them to give you permission to coexist with them. Yes. Makana here I know here one more. So don't be a type that always neglects the needful. Neglect what you should not neglect from today going forward. So whenever you want to lay foundation of anything, as long as you want to lay foundation, first and foremost, break the kola. Make sure you appease and reference any mumu that once live in that particular land. Then be at peace with them. Tell them your intention and ask them to bless you, so that your intention to live there will come into manifestation. That is the first phase of uprooting all the trees and everything. Any sacred tree, you must approach them. After that, there is also unseen forces that once lived there. Yes, even the dead that was once buried there. Even the unseen spirit. And when he came was the altar and the land by the ancient people that once lived there. You need to carry the spirits along. Tell them that you don't know exactly where their spot. But at this particular time, Eze-Ana, make a circle and call upon them to come. The present place we are building, build a farm. Before I proceed foundation there, I first of all Eze-Ana. Follow morning and a ban aja. We go for na ebe a na anyị chọrọ ka ebe a bụrụ ebe a ga-anọ wee mee business. Na ebe a ga-abụ ebe a ga-anọ wee na-atụta ife afọ n'elu. Na ebe a ga-abụ ebe ahụ ga-edo for anyị. Na whatever intention anyị bụ n'obi elu ebe a na ebe a amaghị uwe anyị n'ọkụ na ọ ejuwa anyị n'oyi. That is the first point of call. Yes, a na-akpa n'ana wee kpa n'ọfụ. Ọ bụrụ na onye mmụọ chọrọ n'ebe nọ reference them and they shall be well with you. Once you reference them, they approve your intention. I can tell you, you will go and they will come back in peace. But once you refuse to reference them, ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu say what Igbo adịghị say that they quote. Onye buru chi ụzọ, ọgbagbu onwe ya n'ọsọ. Once you are ahead of your chi, believe in me, you will run tired. So in whatever you are doing, carry your chi along. Never you permit yourself to be living as if neighbor boya. But if you are building projects, you are laying foundation, carry your chi, your resumes and forces that once lived there along, and it shall be well with you. Mana, if at all, I notice that some people are asking, what of if they have made the mistake in the past? Say, what next? Yeah. If you are one of those people that I 10 from the one, go and look for native egg. Egg is a mystery. Egg is used for appeasement. Look for native egg, preferable. Fresh native egg. Use it, go to that land. Yes. Go achọ nnu na mmanụ, just a little red oil and add small salt. Raise that egg, face the sun. Kpọkuo mmụọ niile ndị biri n'ana, human spirit that once lived there and other entities of powers that once lived in that land. N'ike Chukwu, that you, that you are using this egg for appeasement, that you are begging them. No, you akwa keji eze mmụọ iwe. When I say iwe ha dajụọ. Sekwazi ha ka mmiri akwa na-eru ya na ka iwe ha dajụọ. Were aka gị, just one finger tip like this. Turn that red oil and salt. Si ha na nnu na mmanụ ana na-eso okwu. Na maka ihe, na-etu nnu na mmanụ si wee bụrụ 5 and 6. Na-eso ka gị na ha bụrụ 5 and 6 na gị na ha na-esekwa okwu. Were nnu na mmanụ a na-ete na akwa na-ekwubi okwu. Na-agwa ha na nnu na mmanụ a na-eso okwu ndị afọ na gị na ha mesenata okwu. Itegide na ahụ atesịa ya. Jee chọọ ntu. Chọọ anywhere na anwa. Make a circle. Use nzu make a circle. Tell them that mmụọ ọbụla of human spirit of entities of power that once live in that land. That you, gị na-eji akwa wee na-eze ha iwe under that circle. Ha bịa n'ebe a na-ebe ị nọ wee ebe ọbụla ha nọ na ịmara exactly ebe ha nọ. Ikupuo dị akwa. Turn it upside down. Sị ha ka mmiri akwa na-eze. Ka iwe abụrụ iwe ọbụla ha na-ewere gị ka oze. Ahụ ga-eme. Imesi ya na then jezie chọọ onye ga-abịa rụrụ gị ọrụ. Yes, onye ga-abịa rụrụ gị ọrụ. Igbuju ala. E nwere so many ways eji arụ ya. Ụfọdụ nwere ike ịkpọ igbuchu unu, ụfọdụ nwere ike ịkpọ many things. Mana enwe na-akpọ ya ime ka ana jụrụ igbuju ana. Egbujuolu ana. Egbuju ana ngwuru gị. It shall be well with you. Egbuju ana ngwuru a, egbujuchaa ya ana ngwuru a. Then akpọ ụmụ mmụọ onye nọ na ya bụ ngwuru. Ndị na-eri oke ọkpa na ndị na-eri nnekwu kpọọ ha sabịa. Abịa ebe a chụọrọ ha aja. Mesara aka. Sizie nya bụ nwọta ebe ọbụla egburu. Wee mesara aka. Wee yọọ ha. N'ebe nwata na-asa ahụ n'afọ. Ihe ndị a was done in ignorance. That today, this you go to your root. He should have mercy on you and restore whatever you have lost. Yes, anywhere you have wronged them, that you are pleading. Na ha Chukwu okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Then buzie nya bụ ihe aja wee mesara aka. N'ike Chukwu, ekwubie m okwu n'isi ndị niile nọ n'ụdị ọnọdụ dị etu a. Ndị niile zọ igoro okwu na nsị abụki. Ndị niile out of ignorant ma ọ bụ out of ekweghị ekwe ha. Ha wee jee foundation na-emeghị ihe ha kwesịrị ime. O wee na-ebute nseke. Na-ebute alụgide ụlọ duo na linta ama complete. Una na-adakpọsị. Therefore making themselves a laughing stock. N'ike Chukwu, I'm pleading. May this word that was released today be a healing balm to them. May whatever they have lost, as ha na-anụ okwu a na-eputie n'ọrụ, may they be liberated from every anger and annoyance. May their ignorance be overlooked. May their sin be forgiven. May whatever they have lost in the past that made them to remain stagnant and unable to finish that ongoing house project, may whatever they lost be restored so that they will be able to complete that house. Ererizie m ngozi n'ike Chukwu dịka onye nchụaja na-asị ka ha rabụ ndị niile ga-anụ okwu a tinye ya n'ọrụ ka amara na ngọzi nke si n'aka Chukwu nke pụrụ ime ihe niile binyere ha ma nọnyere ha mgbe dum. May whatever they are doing to earn money that is no longer functioning, may those doors be opened again. May they begin to receive money so that they will be able to go back and do the needful. And may they receive abundant wealth in order to complete those ongoing projects. N'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, ike niile si n'aka ya bịa. Ka ngọzi bụrụ nke unu n'ụbọchị taa. May the work of your hands begin to yield fruit. May you be protected. See you tomorrow. N'oge awa nke eziokwu. May those of you that will share this message receive abundant blessings. May you be liberated from any foundational cause. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ajụjụ na nkụzi a, ma ọ bụ na ịchọ ka agbara gị afa miri emi, ma ọ bụ na ihe ndị a m gụsịrị ekwesịrị ime iji wee gbuju ana na ị nwere ike ime wienu and ndị chọrọ ka e nyere gị aka ezinụlọ gị, let me know. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 I repeat 0805 7837 or 0813 8243 871. I repeat 0813 8243 871. See you tomorrow n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Ọ bụrụ na ọnwa egburu ọjọọ eji wee chụọ aja, emechaa na ọ ya ekwu ome ka emesịa.